350Z with a Misfire. We are scanning it now to see which cylinder or cylinders is a problem. And then we're gonna pull coils, check the plugs, maybe even compression test it. Oh, wow. Yeah, I would say it needs plugs. Yeah, it's like rounded off. Dude, that thing is so loud. All day, that's what we've been listening to. So we're gonna record the findings, you know, the compression test. Oh, that's good. That's really good for an engine of this age. So we're opening our plugs. So we're gonna check the gaps, even though usually pretty good out of the box. Look how much room is between it. That's 50. Dielectric grease. It's essentially a spring, but that's your contact. The biggest thing with this is to keep moisture out. Well, it's not misfiring anymore. This did have quite a few lights on too, other than the engine light. I fixed the tire pressure system, and then we did the ABS too. It had a damaged wire. So far, so good.